What's up, guys? I am here at the Epic and we're doing an epic quarantine snack. Now what are we doing? We haven't gotten any groceries. We're going based upon whatever's in the pantry and whatever's in the fridge right now. So if you guys follow me over, we're gonna see what's in the fridge. As you can see, we're working with minimum here. Oh, boom, right off the top. Chopped garlics, check your date, we're good. Boom, Parmesan cheese, or not, we'll see. Let's just take out a stick of butter, doesn't hurt anyone. Fresh chili paste, that'll good right there. All right, now all this will be cooked after I wash my hands and back on. Oh, there we go, so angel hair pasta. Boom, let's go with that. Okay guys, we've got grade A butter, we've got a little bit of Parmesan here, fresh Parmesan. We've got some sambal olik ground fresh chili paste, excuse me. Chopped garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, and angel hair pasta. Step one, wash your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Step two, gloves. All right, I'm gonna take about half of this pasta down the middle, because I'm Thor, and just gonna drop it in there. I'm gonna do 4 minutes, should get it to al dente.
3 hours later.
Now that the pasta is drained, we're gonna pan fry the noodles in a tablespoon of butter in this wok. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of this chili paste. This is very hot, so if you're not used to hot foods, I'd go with 1. I'm just gonna fold that in. 4 shakes of black pepper. 5. Another stir. Now we plate. So I like to top mine off with a little bit of spicy sriracha. I'm just gonna a little bit of Parmesan on top. And now we taste. Oh, it's actually really good. And there you have it, your epic quarantine snack of the day.